Hello, welcome back to Nerf Marathon 20. Today I'm finally doing an unboxing video. I haven't done one in forever, so it feels good to do another one. I haven't done one since a few weeks ago. So let's get started. So it's another Nerf gun. So let's get started on opening it. Okay, that side's open. That side's open. Let me just get down the middle. Okay, that's that part. Okay, take that off. Get the darts. Just wait for it, guys. It is a nice blaster. Let me cut the cardboard off the front of it. There we go, there's that. Okay, anything else for it? Nope. Now, you guys ready? It is the Nerf Ultra 3. One of my new blasters that I just ordered. It looks so cool. Now, pull that back. I think you pull that back. Hang on, guys. I put it right there. Put it right there. For you guys to see still. How do I release? How do I do this? Hang on. Do I do this? Oh, there we go. Got it. Now, let me load the darts in, and I'll fire it for you guys. There. I don't know how much darts it takes in here, but it's an internal clip, which looks cool. You load it from the top. I'm loading it right now. I don't know how much darts it will hold at once. Comment in the comments how much you think how much darts it will hold. How much you know it holds. I think it's gonna hold all of them. But what do you guys think? One last dart to put in. Wow, this thing is cool. This thing is awesome. Nerf Ultra 3 looks insane. There we go. Got them all in. Push that forward. Boom. Oh, and it's got dart storage too. That's cool. Now, let's do the actual firing test. Let's do the actual firing test of the blaster. That's how far it goes. Ooh, that shoots good. Okay, push it forward. Shoot another one. Do it again. This thing takes forever to load. Forever to shoot with one hand. It has one left. Maybe. Yeah, one left. Alright. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button, comment, subscribe. Peace.